Hey, this is Lisa Wigfall, or I'm Lisa Wigfall, and if you are interested in saving money and if you have T-Mobile, you definitely want to stick around. Listen, I like to save money and I also like to share information on how to save money. Oh, wait, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video. But let's get back to why you're looking at me now. I am in line. This line is packed. We are waiting in line for gas, and we are at Shell Station. So, first of all, T-Mobile has paired up with Shell and their fuel rewards program. So you can do this online or you can get the brochure at Shell. So first step, you have to have the fuel rewards program or have signed up for it. Second step, recently T-Mobile, I'm going to pull up my app. T-Mobile started with, see that? T-Mobile Tuesdays. So they have T-Mobile Tuesdays now. I look forward to it. I took advantage of the coffee special that they had last week. But I digress. Here we are. It's Tuesday. I'm opening up my app. It's going to load and it tells you all of the specials, but let's just get to the one about the gas. See? 25 cents off per gallon with extended gold status. So I have to activate it, but this is good every week. And whoa, you guys have about 2 weeks to do it because it's through September 6th. So I pop that open. 25 cents off per gallon with extended gold status. I'm going to hit my save button. I've received my code. So now this code is going to drop into my Fuel Rewards app. I'm going to hit redeem. It's going to drop into my Fuel Rewards app. It's loading it up now. And please allow precise always. Let's cancel that. I don't know what that is. But I'm going to apply the code. Enter reward code. Apply. Success. It's added. Watch that change. Boom. The 20 cents off from T-Mobile. And then I still have my gold status fuel reward, making it a total of the 25 cents. Putting in my phone number. Hello, Lisa. I put in my phone number, which was how I registered my reward. 25 cents off, debit. And watch, it's going to change down here. 331, authorizing and it's going to change before your eyes. All right. Whoa, look at that. From 331 to 306 a gallon. So there you have it. The match of T-Mobile Tuesdays and the Shell Fuel Rewards program. Taking advantage of it, we saved 25 cents a gallon while we got our gas. Great savings. Anytime that we can save money, especially in these times, I am all for it. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you help me out, help the algorithms out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, definitely, because I always have something going on. And also, share the video. That's it for today. My name is Lisa Wigfall. I always like to subscribe. If I didn't say that, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. But my name is Lisa Wigfall, if you don't know already. I love to end my videos with this. Remember, most of all, to live, love, laugh, and smile. Until next time, bye.